What's the business, man? What's good with y'all, YouTube? Welcome back to another fucking video, man. I hope y'all had an excellent ass fucking Christmas. I hope y'all had an excellent ass day, bro. We got the Shay Frost get attacked by guard dogs. Nigga, what? He tripping, bro. We about to just get straight into it. I ain't gonna sit there and kill.
What's going on, bro? Shay, nice to meet you. Alright, fire. We can put it on right here.
Why he dressed like Will Ferrell from Elf? The fit kind of hard though. I ain't even gonna lie. That shit kind of tough, boy.
So you gonna wear it?
No. Look like the court jester.
Okay, I'm wearing it. I'm wearing it. Word. You got this?
We can. If you wanna just sit in the chair, and I can put the
dog
dog on you. It's up to you.
Doing the living room?
Doing the living room where there's more room.
Alright.
No.
Alright. We good?
Get your shoes on. You can. Yeah.
Alright, so my heart rate is 10 right now. Let me calm down.
Alright.
Wait, what is this? The stream on that.
Oh, shoe on right? Okay.
Oh no, it's two of them.
Oh,
Damn.
Hey.
Oh, they're so cute.
Some big boys.
Yes.
That's a big boy. Hey, and I got a big boy literally laying right here. That's a big boy, bro. He make you look, bro. That's crazy, bro.
Oh my god.
I ain't gonna lie, he probably got like 20 on you, bro. I ain't gonna lie, he probably got like 25 on you, homie.
I'm gonna give you some.
You like a little bit like same size as him.
That's a girl.
Not for real, I'm talking to my dog right now, y'all.
what is it gonna do? Trying to bite me.
Oh my god. I didn't go, bro.
Some big ass, bro. They hey, you a pretty boy. I ain't gonna lie. He hard, bro. He hard, bro. If y'all know dogs, and I'm not saying no dogs, bro. I'm talking about no dogs, bro. Like if you know your bully breeds, bro, this is for you. He hard, bro.
Wait, they only got these in Atlanta?
No, they got dogs. They got all kinds of dogs.
I ain't never seen them like this.
For real?
Hold on.
Alright, so look.
She pretty too. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I can't wait till I move to my new crib, bro. I'm about to, bro. Wait, bro. I already got 2 of y'all. Just wait, bro. Just wait, bro.
Meatball. Meatball. Use your. Meatball. Oh, okay. He's right. Okay.
Get your left hand back, fool. Left hand tuck behind your back. Now keep that up. Just do that.
He's on bounce.
So yeah,
They want to tear his ass up. They want to tear his ass up to say you tripping. What was you thinking? You know what? Live and let go. He about to let his ass. Hey.
Yeah, some portion in the charger in front of
You know, if you do it every day. Okay. You lying, huh?
he loves it. He loves it. That's like he likes getting in the same place. So he a little. But whatever you love on.
He's gonna bite. Because he looks powerful. If he's
I'm not gonna watch you play.
alright.
Woo, bruh. Here we go. Hey, cause I ain't gonna lie, 2 make him. Bro, 2 dogs make him want to run, bro. He damn near wanted to run. One of them, he's like, okay, I can do this. 2 of them bitches, though. 2 of these bitches, though. Bro said, do I need a helmet?
Let me go down where?
I'm not gonna let you fall.
Not gonna let me fall? Motherfucker, what is you talking about not gonna let me fall? Damn, bro. Hey, now I'm nervous. Oh shit. Damn. Bro, the shade built different for this, bro. Hey, you built different for this, bro. He said, Chico, it's lunchtime, man. Yeah.
What the? That hurts. You don't let him run up and hit.
Yeah, y'all stay y'all ass up on the counter, boy. Keep your ass up on the counter. Cause he'll rip your limbs off. He gonna rip your fucking arms off. He ain't playing. That mother, hey, he hard.
Always protect your hands. Keep your hands inside the sleeve, and you'll be fine.
Keep it inside my sleeve.
What's Joe getting up?
You don't let him run.
Ready?
He don't get him up.
Whoa.
No. You let me know when you're ready.
Go back to where you were.
You gonna let him go? And he's gonna come and jump.
Yeah.
And he's gonna bite my arm.
Yeah. Listen, all you gotta do is right here.
Okay.
He gonna tuck it. Tuck your hand back. Yeah, just like that.
But he don't got no target.
He got the target. He know where he's going.
That's
He know
what
he got a target, boy. He know where he going. He know where he going. To say, don't worry about the dog. Don't worry about the dog. Don't worry about the dog. He know where he going. And then you just need to pay attention to what you need to do. Dead ass.
If you don't want to do that, I can do your left.
Brace yourself.
Try to lay. Just lie. He said legs.
In the leg. All right.
Get there.
That's what you gonna do.
He said the target is you.
The target is you, boy. You tweaking.
Lots.
Okay.
So this is what you gonna do.
He gonna run and get my leg?
I'm gonna let him drag up to it. Alright, so you just put your leg out like that. Don't kick your foot at him. Keep out to the side. This is what you gonna do, just like that.
That's just hurt my leg go, bro. And my arm, I could be like moving around. My leg is gonna sit there. Why you so eager to bite me? Okay.
Where was your leg?
Yeah, like I could have.
I'm gonna let him get
My boy said, why you so eager to bite me?
I'm just gonna run up to the arm.
the arm.
Yeah, I'm gonna let him run to the arm. And then come grab him. Come grab him, please.
You want him off?
After a couple seconds.
When I tell him off.
My boy didn't put his arm out the sleeve, boy.
Out, please! Out, please! Oh. Alright. I'm done. I'm done. Brooklyn, do it!
He said, Brooklyn, do it. Nope. She ain't. What? Who voluntarily doing this?
I'm good. It hurts, though. Alright, I take the suit off. I gotta go. Meatball, try it. Meatball, try it.
Meatball, do it.
Try it.
Y'all tripping, homie. Oh shit.